Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Odibets. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in odibets.com and press enter. Now this will take you into the official website of the Odibets platform. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Join Now button at the top right corner. And in order to log in, just click on the Login button alongside it. Now you will be asked to enter your phone number and your password. So just go ahead and enter your phone number followed by your password. Then just click on the Login button and you will be logged into your account on Odibets. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button right below the Login button and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Odibets. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us.